Hello everybody, today we are learning to know one number before up to 1000. So basically we are minusing 1 from these bigger 3-digit numbers mostly. So if we make sure we know this number pattern, here we've got stacks of 100. Here we've got the number 700. So we've got 7 stacks of hundreds. We've got 4 stacks of 10. And we've got 5 stacks of 1. Now, if we're going to go one number less, we're going to start at our ones column. So we always start our ones column. We've got 5 in our ones. If we're going down 1, we're going back down to 4. Notice the hundreds and tens haven't changed. They're still a 7 and a 4. If we go back one more, they're still staying the same. 3 down to 2, down to 1, and then down to 0. So when we get to 0, our tens, this number here, needs to go down 1 because we're going backwards. It's going to go down to a 3. Our 0 is going to go all the way back up to 9. And you could think of it like not even worrying about the 100. 1 less than 40 is 39, right? So 1 less than 740 is 739. And then it goes down again, all the way down to 730. 1 less than 30 is 29, so 1 less than 730 is 729. Okay, let's look at a question here. We've got, what is 1 less than 468? So basically, we're going to go 468, take away 1, because we're doing 1 before, right? Now, let's look at these ones first. We have 8 ones. So over here, we've got 8 stacks of 1 over here. We're not going to take any away from our tens or our hundreds because we've already got some ones here to take away first. So if we think about 1 less than 8, we get the number 7, right? So our answer is going to be 460. What do you reckon? 467 is the correct one there. Our 8 is going down 1 to make 7. Our 4 and our 6, our 400s and our 610s, staying exactly the same. So over on our model here, we've got 468. When we get 1 less cup, we get 467 cups. Okay, this time we're going to do what is 1 less than 520. So we're going to go 520. Take away 1. Now, same thing as before. We're going to start with our ones, and we've got 0 ones here. So over on our model, there's no cups to take away from our ones column. So we have to look at our tens column now. And I always think with these ones, what is 1 less than 20? Because if we go 1 less than 20, we get the answer 19, right? And so 1 less than 520 is going to be 519. So we've gone down from 0 to make this one a 9. And we've had to go down. We've borrowed 1 from our 20. So that's turned into a 1. And if we borrow 1 from our 20, it turns into 19. We haven't lost 100. That's just stayed exactly the same. So we don't have to change that number at all. We're all good to go. And so over on our cups, this 20 cups here, we're going to have to break one of those 10s up, and we're going to lose 1 to turn it into 9 cups on that side. And now we've just got 1 more 10 left. All right, the tricky one. So now we're going to do what is 1 less than 800. So we're going to go 800, and we're going to minus 1. We're going to take away 1 from 800. Now we're going to start with our ones. Looking at this one, oh man, we can't take anything away from 0. So let's go to our next one. We'll jump over to our 10s, and oh man, we've got another 0. But if we jump over to our hundreds, we've got an 8. Ah, sweet. So we can take this down 1. So we're going to end up with 700 and something because we can't take away from our 10s, it's at 0, so we have to move on to our hundreds. Now, what's 1 less than 100? 1 less than 100 is 99, right? So 1 less than 800 is going to be 7 199. And if we look at our model, go back to our cups. If we go one less than 800, it ends up being a little bit messy again. We're at a nice tidy number with 800. Now we've got 9 tens and we've got 9 ones. So if you can't borrow from your ones, go to your tens. If you can't borrow from your tens, move over to your hundreds. And that's all the examples I've got for you today. Keep practicing. See you later.